Discovering the magic of English. Adverb clauses of place. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of adverb clauses of place. Understanding adverb clauses is crucial as they add depth and clarity to your sentences. So, let's get started. Before we move into our main topic, let's quickly recap what an adverb clause is. An adverb clause is a group of words that acts as an adverb in a sentence. It can modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, and it often starts with a subordinating conjunction. Adverb clauses can denote various aspects such as time, reason, condition, contrast, manner, and yes, place. Now, moving on to our topic of interest, adverb clauses of place. An adverb clause of place tells us where the action of the verb is happening. It answers the question, where? For example, in the sentence, I will meet you where you fell down, the phrase, where you fell down, is an adverb clause of place. It tells us the location where the meeting will happen. Common subordinating conjunctions used in adverb clauses of place include where, wherever, and anywhere. Now that we've understood what an adverb clause of place is, let's see how to use it in sentences. Here are a few examples. 1. You can find flowers wherever you look in the garden. The clause, wherever you look, tells us the place in relation to the verb, find. 2. I feel at home where the sea meets the sky. The clause, where the sea meets the sky, indicates the place associated with the verb, feel. Remember, an adverb clause of place can come either at the beginning or the end of a sentence, depending on the emphasis you want to give. And there you have it. That's our deep dive into adverb clauses of place. They might seem small, but they carry a lot of weight in helping you express complex thoughts and scenes. Keep practicing them, and soon, you'll be using these clauses like a pro. In our next episode, we'll continue to explore more about adverb clauses and their functions. Until then, keep learning, keep exploring, and remember, grammar is the key to mastering any language. Thank you for watching and happy learning.